Why does my back hurt during AB exercises? AB workouts are supposed to strengthen your core, improve stability, and help with posture. But for many people, they bring an unexpected problem: back pain. If you've ever felt discomfort or soreness in your lower back while doing crunches, sit-ups, or leg raises, you're not alone. Back pain during AB exercises is very common, and the reasons behind it can vary from weak muscles to poor form. The good news is that with the right approach, you can train your abs effectively without hurting your back. In this article, we'll explore why your back might hurt during AB workouts, the most common mistakes people make, and how to fix them. 1. Poor form and technique. One of the main causes of back pain during AB exercises is poor form. Many people rush through AB movements without focusing on proper technique. For example, crunches and sit-ups. Pulling on your neck or rounding your lower back too much puts stress on the spine. Instead of engaging your abs, your back takes the load. Planks. Sagging your hips or arching your lower back reduces AB activation and increases spinal pressure. Leg raises. Swinging your legs too fast without control can cause your lower back to lift off the ground, straining the muscles. Solution: slow down and focus on the movement. Keep your spine neutral, engage your core, and avoid using momentum. 2. Weak core muscles. Ironically, the reason your back hurts during AB workouts may be because your core is too weak. The core isn't just your abdomen, also includes your obliques, lower back muscles, and deep stabilizers like the transverse abdominis. If these muscles are underdeveloped, your back ends up compensating. For example, if your abs can't handle the workload during leg raises, your hip flexors and lower back muscles take over, which causes pain. Solution: start with beginner-friendly core moves like dead bugs, bird dogs, and pelvic tilts before progressing to harder exercises. Strengthen your lower back and glutes to balance your core training. 3. Tight hip flexors. The hip flexors are a group of muscles located at the front of your hips. They help lift your legs during movements like sit-ups and leg raises. When these muscles are tight, they pull on your lower back, creating discomfort during AB exercises. People who sit for long hours often have shortened hip flexors, which worsens the problem. Instead of the abs doing the work, the hip flexors dominate, leaving your back under strain. Solution: stretch your hip flexors regularly with lunges or pigeon pose. Strengthen your glutes to counterbalance the tightness. 4. Overarching the lower back. Many AB exercises, especially when performed incorrectly, cause the lower back to arch too much. For instance, during bicycle crunches or flutter kicks, the lower back often lifts off the floor, putting pressure on the spine. Solution: keep your lower back pressed gently into the ground during lying AB exercises. If you can't maintain this position, bend your knees or modify the movement until your core strength improves. 5. Lack of warm-up. Jumping straight into AB exercises without warming up can also trigger back pain. Cold muscles are less flexible and more prone to injury. A stiff spine and hips increase the likelihood of improper movement patterns during core training. Solution: do a 5 to 10 minute warm-up before AB workouts. Light cardio, dynamic stretches, or mobility drills for the hips and spine will prepare your body and reduce discomfort. 6. Imbalanced training. Another reason your back may hurt is because you're refocusing only on front ab muscles while neglecting the rest of your core. A strong midsection requires balance between the abs, obliques, glutes, and lower back muscles. If you ignore the supporting muscles, your spine doesn't have proper stability, which leads to pain. Solution: add variety to your routine. Along with crunches, include side planks, back extensions, glute bridges, and rotational exercises. Training your whole core ensures balance and prevents strain. 7. Doing too much too soon. Beginners often jump into advanced AB exercises like hanging leg raises or AB rollouts before building a foundation. These moves demand strong ABs and spinal stability. Without that strength, your back ends up working harder than it should. Solution: progress gradually. Master simple moves, such as planks and dead bugs, before attempting advanced variations. Increased intensity step by step to avoid overloading your spine. 8. Existing back problems. Sometimes, the issue isn't your ab workout, it's an underlying back condition. Herniated discs, sciatica, or chronic lower back pain can flare up during ab exercises. If you already have back problems, certain movements like sit-ups or twisting motions may aggravate them. Solution: if pain persists, consult a healthcare professional. Stick to safe core exercises recommended by physiotherapists such as bird dogs or pelvic tilts until you recover. 9. Holding your breath. Many people unconsciously hold their breath during AB exercises. This increases intra-abdominal pressure and can strain the lower back. Breathing properly not only reduces tension, but also helps engage the deep core muscles effectively. Solution: practice controlled breathing. Inhale deeply before starting the movement, then exhale slowly while contracting your abs. This keeps your core engaged and your spine safe. 10. Overtraining without rest. Your core muscles need time to recover, just like any other muscle group. Training abs every day without rest can lead to fatigue, poor form, and pain. Overworked muscles lose their ability to stabilize the spine, leaving your back vulnerable. Solution: train your core 2 to 4 times per week with proper rest days in between. Allowing recovery time will make your workouts more effective and safer. How to prevent back pain during AB workouts. Now that we've identified the causes, here are practical steps to keep your back safe while training your core. Focus on form. Keep your spine neutral and move slowly. Start small. Use beginner-friendly exercises before attempting advanced ones. Strengthen supporting muscles. Don't forget your glutes, lower back, and obliques. Stretch tight areas, loosen your hip flexors and hamstrings regularly. Use modifications. If an exercise hurts, bend your knees, shorten the range of motion, or switch to an easier version. Warm up properly. Prepare your body before starting AB training. Don't chase numbers. Quality reps are better than doing hundreds with poor form. Rest and recover. Train your core a few times a week, not daily. Safe alternatives to traditional AB exercises if crunches and sit-ups hurt your back. Try these safer and more effective alternatives. Plank variations, front planks, side planks, or forearm planks engage multiple core muscles without straining the spine. Dead bugs lie on your back. Lower opposite arm and leg while keeping your core engaged. Bird dogs on hands and knees. Extend one arm and the opposite leg while maintaining balance. Glute bridges. Strengthen your glutes and core while supporting the lower back. Palef press, an anti-rotation exercise that improves stability and protects the spine. These moves build a strong, functional core with less risk of injury. Final thoughts: if your back hurts during AB exercises, it doesn't mean you should avoid core training. It means something is off in your approach. Whether it's poor form, weak supporting muscles, tight hips, or overtraining, identifying the cause will help you fix the problem. A strong core should support and protect your back, not harm it. By focusing on technique, progression, balance, and recovery, you can build solid abs while keeping your spine safe. Remember, the goal of core training isn't just a flat stomach, it's a stable, powerful center that improves your health, posture, and performance in everyday life. So, the next time you feel back pain during AB workouts, don't ignore it. Adjust your routine, strengthen your core the right way, and give your back the support it deserves.